Let's talk about 5 myths about selling ebooks that are stopping you from earning online. Now, these myths are could be mentalities, could be ideas that you're thinking that are holding you back from publishing your ebooks or your digital products online. And a lot of people are missing out on the opportunity to be earning from their knowledge because of this myth. So there are many of them, but we're going to talk about 5 of them, and we're going to talk about what you need to be doing. So if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome. On this channel, we talk about how to make money online. We talk about things you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. My name is Awajima Mishuto. So before we get into the video, kindly do me a favor by liking this video, subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. So let's get straight into the video. Let's talk about 5 myths about selling ebooks that are stopping you. So number 1 on my list is a lot of people think that you need to be a great writer to create an ebook, and the truth is you don't have to be a literary genius. You don't have to know everything. You just need ebooks that are solving problem and sharing information. So majorly you need to focus on clarity, you need to focus on creativity. You just need to know something better than somebody. For instance, you can know how to bake better than somebody. There are millions of people who don't know how to bake. You can create an ebook that solves that problem. You can create an ebook that helps people to lose weight or gain weight, or an ebook that helps people to do something better. That's number 1 myth. Number 2 is that people think that ebooks don't make money. You feel that, okay, ebook is a small business, there's no money in the business. But the truth is many creators are earning steady passive income monthly from just one ebook. As I speak with you, I have one book I've just created, which I created in 2020 or 2021 thereabout. That book still sells till tomorrow. That's the power of an ebook. And the trick about it is that you just need the right audience. You just need the right audience, and you just need to be solving the problem, a real problem, for the right audience. That's myth number 2. Myth number 3 is that some people feel or think that you need a big audience to be able to sell your ebooks and your digital products. It's not true. The truth is that you don't need thousands of followers. You just need the real people that need your solution. With the right offer, that is the right solution, and a small engaged audience that are ready to buy from you, you can be making some consistent income. Take for instance, if you say you want to teach people how to lose weight, there are audience for that. If you want to teach people how to travel abroad, there are audience for that. If you want to teach people how to be making money online, there are audience for that. So you just need to know the audience and create your solution, and you can start making money from this. So in case you have been thinking that you need big audience, I'm letting you know that you don't need a large audience. You don't need big audience to make money from selling your ebooks. That's myth number 3. Myth number 4 is that some people think that you have to know everything. It's not true. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know 1% better than the rest other persons. You only need to know what? 1%. So if you know that 1%, you are better than a lot of people. Are you getting now? So when I started creating my ebooks, I didn't know much. I only knew some things, and it was those things that I knew that I put into my ebook to solve people's problem, and that was how I was making money and improving along the line. So you can share your personal experience of how you came out of a problem. You can share your skill. You can share your own perspective in your ebook, and if you do it correctly, you can be selling your knowledge online as an ebook. So that's myth number 4. So the last one is myth number 5. A lot of people, or you, might be thinking that you just need to sell once. The truth is, a good ebook can keep selling for years, especially if it's an evergreen topic. Evergreen topics like how to lose weight or how to gain weight. Are you getting now? For instance, now I'm somebody who is looking to gain weight. Excuse me. I'm looking to gain weight. So if I see a book that talks about gaining weight, I might want to buy. I might even buy. Are you getting now? So there are people that want to gain weight. There are people that want to lose weight. So There are people that want to learn how to bake. There are people that want to travel abroad. So if you create a solution in that area, I'm talking about evergreen solutions, you will keep selling forever. And the beautiful thing about ebooks is that you create it once and you keep selling. You can sell a bundle, you can upsell, you can sell a challenge, you can sell a membership from just an ebook. Are you seeing the possibilities right now? I believe you are getting value from this. If you've gotten value from this, please like this video, please subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss whenever I share content like this. All right, this is where we're going to stop in this video. If you got value, please drop a question for me if you have one. Go to the link in the description. I'll drop more information in the link in the description, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.